you are planning to grow a Coleus plant but are not sure which variety to choose. So I am here to show you a few Coleus varieties that I have collected and grown. These varieties wonderfully give a different height of color to a garden. Their colorful foliage highlights the plant itself or helps the other plant to stand out. All who are foliage fanatic will surely like these varieties. Let's take a look. I share all the updates of my garden on Instagram. I'll be inspired to bring informational content if you visit our profile and show your love there. This variety has dark red veins running through electric lime color leaves. The leaves become more lime in color when it grows under shade and appear redder when get exposed to the light. This part was growing under a shade as other plants were covering it, so more lime color is here. This part is growing up, so more dark reds are seen. It grows to the fullest and looks best when grown on the ground, but doesn't disappoint when grown in the perfect container. So decide what you want. Keep it under shade if you want to see more lime color on it. For adding more dark red, you need to keep it under bright light or morning sunlight. Intense sunlight can also take away the leaf color and makes the leaf drop early. It is a variety that can go with any color. If it green or red, it nicely adds the punch to the regular look of your garden. This variety grows hues with big size leaves when grown on the ground. In containers also, it grows crazily both in sunny and shady locations. Too much sun may add irregular patches and burn the leaves, so early morning sunlight hours are perfect for it. This variety and golden dreams are compatible with each other. Both look great when grown together. This variety is popularly known as China rose. The specialty of this plant is the serrated burgundy color leaves with a vibrant pink color splashed down the center. It can be grown both on the ground and in containers. The edges of the leaf turn green when the plant is grown in a shady location, and it becomes dark red or burgundy when get exposed to light. Intense sunlight can make the leaves droopy. Also, each of the leaf color looks irregular. It is resistant to morning sunlight only, so choose a place where afternoon sun cannot fall on it. This variety and color blaze ridiculous look great when grown together, especially this pink color pops nicely. This variety is known as wizard mosaic. It has bright leaves with splashed burgundy colors all over the plant. It is a nice variety to grow in a container. With sunlight, the color fades. A bright location works best for it. You can style it up with any red or burgundy color variety. You can also grow it with all your indoor plants that are green. This foliage variety has a permanent lime color from spring through fall or year round. On the ground, it can grow hues. It is tolerant to sunlight, its color remain unchanged. You can also grow it indoors as your house plants. Golden dreams and wizard mosaic are a good match for it. It can beautifully break the monotony of a group of red varieties that are grown together. Wizard scarlet has foliage with pink or red centers and lime green to sometimes golden yellow border. It is a regular variety. Often we see it grows in the front of a garden, but it is a best variety that smartly breaks the green monotony. It is a low-lying variety but does great in a container. Under the shade, the center color becomes dark red, whereas turns pink when gets light. You can combine it with the color blaze ridiculous or other red varieties. Its green margin stands out. It is my recent addition. It has nettle-like leaves with serrated edges and perfectly replaces a flowering plant where sunlight is rare or never comes. It has a habit of growing dense, So one plant in a pot is enough to give it a compact look. Bright light adds more orange color to it, and burgundy or dark red is due to no light. I like both shades. It is not a plant that grows tall. You can grow it as a low-lying plant that expands close to the ground. The main reason for having different varieties is that I am a foliage fanatic. I like flowering plants, but some seasonal plants of my choice cannot be grown on my balcony due to the seasonal low sunlight. So I found Coleus is the best plant whose foliage stands out and perfectly replaces the flowering plants. I hope you liked all the varieties. In the comment section, let me know which varieties you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.